Well, as you can see, I have royally messed this up. So I will show you how I fill large gaps. Take some 532 7018, knock the flux off of it, and then we're going to tack it into this big old gap and start running beads until we fill it up. Now that we just about got the gap filled up here, then we'll start running beads to tie it all together. Now that it's solid, we'll start grinding it down, slicking it off. As we go, we'll alternate from running beads to fill any holes or any porosity to slicking it down until we get it to match just perfect. Got just a couple little dimples left that we'll go ahead and put some weld in and grind back down. is. That's the second best way to weld a large gap. The best way, of course, is not to fuck it up in the first place. But all in all, it came out nice and will be a great stack for my repair job that I'm currently working on. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and hit the like button and go ahead and subscribe so you can keep up with what we got going on around the shop.